Here's a quick video of an LED light installation on a BMW 2014 F30 320 diesel. I originally had the halogen lights installed, but I bought some LED lights from Provision Lighting in Sydney, who's actually given me the extreme LED lights. One was for the low beam, which is the one on the right hand side, and the left hand version was installed into the high beam side due to constraints inside the actual lamp itself. Just lights showing with high beam and low beam. As I said, I originally had the low beam insulated only and had to re-get sent the high beam ones due to fitment issues. But having the smaller version of the lights being sent through from Provision Lighting has made a huge difference on the high beam and low beam of the BMW. So if you're chasing an LED conversion kit for your 2014 F30, definitely go to Provision Lighting. I looked at about 2,500, 3,000 changing it to a LED purpose-built lights from BMW online, and all up this has cost me about $300 to get this look. Very, very happy. This is low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam.